Custom views can be considered as an easy way to present filtered data. So how can we custom view our worksheet? Now, before filtering your data, go to View ribbon, then Custom Views, Add. Now you can type Main View or Full View, whatever you feel suitable. I'm going to write Full View. That's okay. Keep these checked, okay? Print settings, hidden rows, columns, and filter settings. Now go to Data ribbon and click over Filter. Now you can filter according to the required criteria. Let's say male, number filtering greater than 60, status single. Now you go to View, Custom Views, Add, Single, Male, 60 plus. Now refilter the data. Let's choose female with the same previous criteria. Okay, now we go to Views, View, Custom Views, Add, Single, Female, 60 plus. Now let's say I want to change between these three views. I can click over Custom Views, Full View, double click, Custom Views, Single Male, double click, Custom Views, Single Female, double click. And if you're working remotely and your manager is going to see the file alone, it's better to add the custom views as a drop-down menu to the quick access toolbar and instruct him where to find it. This is better than explaining how and what to filter. So how can we add the custom views to the quick access toolbar? First, we go to More Commands on the quick access toolbar. Then from the drop-down list, we can choose Commands Not in the Ribbon. We scroll down the list. We see Custom Views. By the way, we can define this option for this file only, and we can add. Then we can press OK. Now I can see Full View, Single Male, Single Female.